90-Day Fiancé, one couple dates through home security cameras for past 7 years in season premiere sneak peek exclusive. Hello friends, I'm Wordly Wise. Welcome to my channel. For the latest news update, please subscribe the channel and press bell icon. Season 8 of 90-Day Fiancé. Before the 90 days follows a couple that dates through security cameras. People's exclusive clip shows Forrest, based in Oregon, and Sheena, who is in the Philippines, as they navigate the daily life through a smart home system. The new season premieres on Sunday, December 7th, at 8 p.m. ET on TLC. The upcoming season of 90-Day Fiancé, before the 90 days, captures a particularly unconventional long-distance relationship. People has an exclusive look at the Sunday, December 7th premiere of the TLC show, where one couple reveals how they connected from across the globe. For 7 years, Forrest, 32, and Sheena, 40, have found a way to spend every day together despite him living in Oregon, and her in the Philippines, thanks to home security cameras. The couple, both virgins, are finally meeting in person, their official login reads. But with Forrest's parents joining the trip to investigate the red flags, especially around Sheena's mysterious family, their long-awaited reunion may be more tense than romantic. The exclusive clip begins with Sheena watching Forrest from multiple angles from every corner of his living room and kitchen as he cooks. "Don't burn the eggs like last time," she reminds him over the speaker. "Don't worry," he says. "Everything's going good, baby. I love you too, baby," she replies. He then plates his eggs, pours his coffee and walks up close to one of the cameras to show his virtual girlfriend his breakfast. "Your favorite," she declares, looking at his plate from 7,000 miles away. "I'll call you after I'm done with my breakfast." Introducing himself, Forrest explains that he has transformed his house into a smart home, so Sheena can keep up with his daily life. "I have tons of light bulbs, I have sensors for everything," he shares. "And to top it off, I have security cameras that my girlfriend, Sheena, pretty much has access to 24/7. He further acknowledges that it might not be for everyone, but he enjoys having her presence around since they can't be together in person. "I know it might be awkward for some people to have the girlfriends have so much, control over their lives and be able to see them and talk to them all the time," he notes. "But to me, it actually comforts me and makes me feel a lot better just knowing that she's always there. Like, what if I fall over and nobody can see or I can't get to anybody?" He quips, "There she is, right there, making sure I'm safe 24/7. Part of the 90-day universe. Before the 90 days follows hopeful romantics who take a risk traveling overseas to meet their partners for the first time. Season 8 will follow 9 couples, including Forrest and Sheena, as they navigate the challenges that come with the unique circumstances.